Welcome to Johnson County Community College. I'm Terry Harrison, Director of the National Academy of Railroad Sciences. At JCCC, our industrial trades and transportation programs are built for students who want to learn by doing. From construction and manufacturing to automotive and transportation, these programs combine hands-on training with industry-relevant skills that stand out to employers.
Johnson County Community College partnered with my high school. I heard about the trades program and I was immediately interested in welding. I was surprised to find out that JCCC had this nice little program with all new welding equipment. I had no experience in welding going into this. JCCC shaped my career path by helping me find out what I actually wanted to do in life.
I really started looking in, I need to settle down and what my future and what I want. So I got with the counselors and they told me what the program was, what the requirements were. I started falling in love with the HVAC stuff because it's fun. There's a lot more to it than you think. The teachers are really what's the best part, especially in the trade programs. They're with you every step of the way. They're teaching you. They want you to succeed. When I came in here, I was like, wow, this is nice. They have a whole room dedicated to everything you need to do for electricians, HVAC, all that, plumbing. I think Johnson County is the best community college in Kansas in general.
At JCCC, our industrial trades and transportation programs are built with strong industry connections. Local employers and professionals serve on our advisory boards to keep our training in line with real-world needs. These connections open doors to internships, apprenticeships, and career opportunities after graduation. With the guidance of experts and practical insight built into every program, you will graduate feeling confident, prepared, and connected to the industries you're entering.
I'm studying the automotive technologies, so that's to become an automotive mechanic. Well, I knew that I wanted to do this from a young age. I've always loved cars. I loved looking at them, and eventually I wanted to know how they worked. I really loved being able to work on engines, just the whole teardown process, actually feeling like you're in a shop. Having kind of the smaller groups is really nice, and building those relationships throughout my time here is probably my favorite thing. After graduating from JCCC, I plan on transferring to another university to pursue a diesel mechanics degree.
Whether you're looking to launch a new career or advance in your current role, JCCC provides the pathway. Careers in industrial trades and transportation are in high demand. Our graduates enter the job market ready to innovate, build, and keep the world moving.